12 at 6 p.m. with Maureen Kane. Dan Thomas, Sports with David Reed. And from the Weather Authority, here's Steve LaNore.
What do you know? I can almost hear Friday knocking on the door. Beautiful day today, a little windy out there, but that wind is going away, and the sun has done the same thing. Take a look here at our southeastern sunset as we go into your Thursday night. And not a cloud to be found in the sky tonight. No smoke clouds today, although I want to caution you again, the fire danger is extremely high. Please avoid any outdoor burning and watch those cigarettes and stuff like that. Even outdoor welding can cause a fire. We don't need any fire. It's been a pretty tough fire season already, and we're in a severe drought throughout all of Texoma now. All in act. Today's temps right where they should be for this time of the year, in the glove, as we say. And you know, it's only 11 days till Christmas, and it's feeling pretty good out there. Nice and cold at night, not too bad in the daytime. Fishing game forecast brought to you by Sherman Collision Repair, and it'll be a pretty decent day tomorrow with not as much wind and an equal amount of sunshine. Good luck you're headed out on your Friday. Temps this hour hovering in the 40s for most of us. We do see a couple of cold pockets here in the 30s, and again tonight we'll see a range of temperatures in the upper 20s from Ada back to Antlers, but a lot of us will be closer to 32, 34 degrees. Probably some frost in the morning since we won't have much wind tonight, and you can see the wind is dropping off nicely here, about 5 to 8 miles per hour. Sherman Denison at 12, the highest wind I could find. Okay, let's zoom on down to the southwest, take a little vacation in Baja California. Well, we can wish anyway, but that's where our upper level low is right here, and that's going to be tracking across Texas and clipping southeastern Texoma on Saturday night. Everything's kind of coming into play for some rain, but probably for a lot of us not a great amount. We'll take what we can get. Anything's better than nothing, and why not get it on a Saturday night when it doesn't mess up your weekend? So that's the way it's looking right now. Meanwhile, high pressure will build in from the northwest. Wind will drop off tomorrow with that almost on top of us. And then guess what? The wind machine really fires up on Saturday, this time out of the south. This is going to be a windy day. We'll start off mostly clear in the morning. The clouds will roll in. And let's talk about that as we go into Saturday, starting off here at Saturday morning, 6 a.m. Here comes the clouds first, and then the rain comes in Saturday night. Now, as you see on the map here, a lot of the rain is going to be east of Highway 75. However, this could change. If it were to go 50 miles farther west, we'd all cash in on the rain. If it goes 50 miles the other way, it's going to be a big zilch for us. So these things are not perfect, but it's looking pretty good to get some rain Saturday night and Sunday morning. Then it's out of here, and we get some partial sunshine by Sunday afternoon. For tonight, again, I think a lot of us will have frost, be hovering around freezing. Few spots in the upper 20s with Durant at 32. We'll see from Van Alstyne, Gunner up to Sherman, Pottsboro, about 33 there, and looking at about 35 in Paris. Then tomorrow, beautiful day, really. A lot of sunshine, not much wind, and we're looking at temperatures in the mid-50s, plus or minus a couple at your place. You know, that's kind of the way that goes. 32 tonight. And clear skies, light winds, northwest 2 to 6. Good to be rid of that wind. And tomorrow, sunny, about 55 degrees, winds northwest 10 to 15. So it's a quick shot of rain overnight, Saturday night and Sunday morning. Good timing there. The amounts for most of us won't be that great. Maybe up to a half inch east of Highway 75. That would be on the high end. And next week looking dry and quite mild. If you want to go way out, some of the models are suggesting fairly cold weather for Christmas. You know, I'm not going to give you any guarantees 11 days out, but looking like it might at least feel like Christmas, if not look like it, by the time that rolls around. In the meantime, speaking of looking like Christmas, here are some Toys for Tots drop-off locations.